Hello, hello. It is time for another Dollar Tree haul, and they have some of the cutest things. They now have a section like by their makeup and things with all these cute little, this is a mermaid and it's to clean your makeup brushes, but they also have the mermaid brushes, which I thought was so cute. You could get a little basket and you can put all these little accessories inside the basket. I thought that this was such a cute little novelty, and these are going to go fast. And what's nice about this is it has the little suction cups, so if you wanted to, you could press it like onto your bathroom sink, and it's going to give you a sturdy surface in order to be able to clean out your brushes. So let's get started on this haul. But I also wanted to mention that if you did not see our candy cane wreath video, you want to check that out. It's in the description below. And start keeping your eyes out for our little Santa boxes, the Snowman and the Santa. We did the Boo boxes. These boxes I did 2 years ago, and we had a really hard time finding them. But hopefully, since they had the Halloween boxes, maybe these are coming back out. This is a great way, instead of a stocking, you can give the little snowman or the little Santa hat. Those videos are also below in the description. I'm going to try and come up with something where we can make our own box and we can add those hats. So let's get started on this Dollar Tree haul. So I showed you the brushes. I believe I got one more thing, but I don't know if it's in. Oh, here it is. This little brush. Now, I had these in my store. They are a little bit bigger than this. I am going to be adding more accessories as well to my own little store, but I thought these were really cute. They match the whole concept. Again, these are in like their cosmetic aisle. I hope you get them, because now my Dollar Tree is starting to expand on the craft items too. I was really happy to see these. These can be rather expensive. I do have a project coming up, perfect for all of you for the holidays. If you wanted to give it a try, you will want to subscribe so that you don't miss out on some of the fun videos that I'm going to be sharing with all of you. So they have these. They are 12-pack, and they're really strong magnets. I mean, they are sticking together just by the cardboard in between. So these are perfect to make little things that you might want to do magnetic for filing cabinets, refrigerators, and things like that. Then they had these little bottles, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using these for. And again, you will have to stay tuned. I have so many fun things coming up. I started on November 1st, and I have one video every day for the next 65 days to help you guys figure out what you want to give as holiday gifts, things that you can make and things that you can sell. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss anything. So they have these little bottles, and these are perfect for crafting as well. Then I got these little icicles. They're really cute. They do come with the batteries. I have an idea for these. I'm not sure if the idea is going to work yet. If it does, of course, there'll be a video. But I thought these were fun, and they are back out again this year. I have a few wreaths coming up, and I wanted to add these. They remind me of my dad, the cardinal. They say when you see a cardinal, somebody from heaven is visiting you. So I thought these were really pretty. And yes, I have a wreath coming up that I'm going to add that to. And of course, I will have a video. Now, I've been trying their paint, and I did buy the smaller version of this, and it was too thick for what I wanted to do. So I'm trying the larger bottle because it feels more like a liquid, and I think that this is perfect for kids crafting, especially like finger painting or something, so it's not so thick and it kind of spreads around. You also might want to be able to try the pour painting that they're doing. Now, I haven't done one of those yet, but I might. I'm not real sure. I would prefer to do that in the summer months when I'm outside and I have a lot of room so I don't make a mess in my house. But they do have these, and they have a variety of colors now. Again, they're selling out really quickly. So we want to make sure that you head to the store now. What does that mean? We have a giveaway. So, you know what that means. You have to invite your friends, comment below that I want to win, and you have a chance to win what this week? A Dollar Tree haul. So, what I am giving away this week is a bag of goodies, some craft items, some Halloween decorations, and there will be no less than 12 items in the bag. Again, I apologize. This is for U.S. only. I can't ship out of state. I can't get to the post office. I do everything from home, and my postmaster picks it up for me. So I apologize to those of you that are out of the country that follow me. I hope one day that I can include all of you, and I appreciate every single one of you that follows me. And hopefully in the near future, when I get back on my feet and I'm financially stable, I will be able to include all of you. So this is for the United States. I will draw a winner next Friday when we begin our next Dollar Tree haul, because every week we're going to give you guys the week to share it, and we're going to add all those names in, and I'm going to create a video and do it live so that you know who you are. And we had great fun with the last giveaway, and that is how, if you look below in my description, there is a little girl named Aura who is battling stage 4 brain cancer. And I am asking my followers and those of you that are supportive of our military. Her father is in the Air Force. They need our help. They need our support. Her story is below in the description. Please donate if you can. Every penny counts. I don't care if it's $2, $3. Give what you can and help this family. So the winner of the Boo Box donated it, and I looked for a child battling cancer, and I met Aura, who stole my heart. So check out her link below. But remember, you're going to get a whole bag of goodies for the giveaway. So let's continue on with what we're doing. And whenever you hear that song, that means there's a giveaway. So I have these fun little vases, and I have some ideas for them. And again, we're going to be doing a video to show you all how you can make your own. So these were kind of fun. They have a lot of different glass vases, and I am going to show you some unique ideas that you can give this holiday season. Then I got these. I love them, love them, love them, because we have a few videos coming up. They also have different figures that you might want to pick up, and you are going to want to subscribe and check out my new tutorial that is coming up this Sunday. Yes, 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 I have another video coming up for all of you, and I think you're all going to really like it. So I am using something similar to this, and these are back out. I got these because, of course, we're doing a lot of fun projects, and if you do wood signs and you wanted to add glistening snow, you could easily use this because it's got the shimmer in it, a little bit thicker than regular glitter, so this might work out great. Then I got these because, again, I have an idea for these, and you are all going to be able to make them. So you'll want to stay tuned. And yes, my Dollar Tree has these now. So if you saw my Dollar Tree last week where we were doing the Indiana, my store now locally has these, and they have a whole aisle full of all the wooden different things that we can make, and they have these now. So we're going to come up with a cute idea for these as well. Then I went to this Dollar Tree. I posted on my timeline, so if those of you are trying to find me, if I'm not available on YouTube, I do post the links to my Facebook page and my business page. You can find me there. But I went to this Dollar Tree that was a complete disaster, but I found some unusual things that I haven't found anywhere else, and I found this, and I thought this was kind of neat. Now, yes, a handle goes in here. The handles, they didn't have. But what I thought this was cool for, because it has it like this, I thought it's good to sweep off like your work area. I mean, you can do it with a handle with a broom, but it might be a little difficult. But I thought this was good, like, you know, when you're in the kitchen and you just want to sweep up a little bit. These are perfect because this is how it's sold, like this for $1. I can't find the handle. I haven't tried their broom handles yet, but they were out of them at the store, and I don't have one of their brooms right now. So it looks like it might be a little bit bigger than their broom handle. They were all sold individually because they also had the mop. And the mop is perfect for those of you wanting to do your gnomes. So I might try and make a different gnome for all of you, and we will use this, but they were sold like this, and then they have the same kind of hole. So everything was like individual. They had like 4 or 5 different accessories that you can attach, but they didn't have the pull to it. So they do have these. Then I got this cute jar because, yes, I have an idea, and I think it would be really, really fun. So these things you can fill with candy. You can fill with little different accessories. You can add a bow. And if you saw my video the other day, I will post it below, where we made little Santa hats out of the Dollar Tree skirts. So you'll want to check out that video. And this hat would fit perfect on here because we can make any size we need. So you'll want to check out that video also below in the description. And then I was lucky to find one of these. These are sold at some Dollar Trees. It's like a hit or miss. They're on the little tabs in the craft aisle is where I found it again. They go inside your bottles. A lot of you might be wanting to make like a night light or whatever they're making now for the holidays. I will make one and show you all my idea on them. And this is the little light, and it's really cool because it's got the thing and it just goes in the top, so you can hide this top portion with some greenery or some flowers or something. And then there's a little switch on the side, I believe. I think it's on the back side here where it's an off and on switch. So that is a really good idea. I was surprised to see how well made these ornaments are. They're very, very thick. They're heavy. Perfect if you wanted to do some type of a tree topper or something like that. These are really, look at how it's glistening. Isn't that pretty? So again, this is another thing that I think is a great idea, and we are going to use it. Then, how do you like these? I found one at that store I wasn't crazy about. I was really, really surprised to hear it. Who wants this? I am going to give it away to one of you that follow me. I am not a big baker, but I thought that this was a really, really fun idea for those of you that have kids that are into sports. I picked it up because I know that one of my followers is going to want it. So what do you have to do? You have to invite your friends. Comment below that I want Cake Boss. Got to put in there Cake Boss so that I know who wants this. I don't want to give it to someone that doesn't want it or that can't use it. So let's put in the description whether you want the Dollar Tree haul or whether you want Cake Boss, and I will do a video next Friday with the winners. And again, you must like my channel so that you don't miss anything. You must comment Cake Boss or Dollar Tree haul. Now, some of you have commented, and I appreciate all your comments, but in order to get into the drawing, you must say Cake Boss or Dollar Tree haul. So this way, when I do our giveaway, I can cut those names up, and we're going to do a drawing for the Cake Boss, and then we'll do a drawing for that Dollar Tree haul, and it'll be two separate winners. Again, this is for the United States only. I apologize to those of you that are out of the country. I wish from the bottom of my heart that I could do it and send it to all of you. I have one gift where somebody won in another country, and it was $25 to ship, and I have to wait because I'm still so strapped financially, but I'm trying to get back on my feet. My friends and family are helping me with gift cards so that I can continue my journey on my YouTube channel with all of you. So I want to include you. Please don't think that I don't want to, but for right now, this is the way it is. If you are out of the country and you have a family member and you want to play along and they're willing to take the package for you, I don't have a problem with that, as long as the address is in the United States and that's where you ship it. So if you're out of the country and you have somebody here and they're willing to take it and ship it to you, then you can still play. You know, I would just need their address to ship here in the United States. So this is going to be a giveaway. I think it is really, really cool. It just says, impress your friends and family and yourself. Create stopping cakes. Only you know how easy it is and fun it is. It comes with everything that you need. So it has all the little cookie cutters and everything like that. It's going to teach you how to make these fun cakes, and I want to give it away to one of you. So the last thing I wanted to show you is these cute baskets. These would be adorable with their bags. You can put a little bit of styrofoam in here and then add a little newspaper around it or tissue paper to build it up so that it's not deep when you add your items in there. And then you can go, you know, buy some bath soaps and bath bombs and then use their styrofoam so that you're able to make a beautiful gift basket this holiday season. So these just came out, and I believe they have the red ones with the Santa belt, and I have an idea that I want to share with all of you, so that video is coming really, really soon too. So I'm hoping that you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. Comment below. I love hearing from all of you. Remember, you must say Dollar Tree haul or Cake Boss. If you want to be included in both, then you may have to comment separately, because otherwise it's going to be hard to decipher, other than maybe putting it, I mean, like, you might be cheated one way or another. If you follow me on Facebook on my business page, you will be able to enter there as well. And what you'll have to do on my business page is share the link. Tell everybody, come on over and check her out. I think I have a lot of fun, original ideas to share with all of you. I'm grateful to be back. I am grateful to be able to share the things that go in my head. Believe me, there's a lot of stuff going on in there. So if you are on Facebook, you can share from Facebook. Not subscribe, but like the channel so that you don't miss anything. But subscribe on YouTube, and then just put in the comments whether you want the Cake Boss or you want the Dollar Tree haul, and I will draw a winner next Friday, and that will be in the mail immediately to you on Saturday so that you can start enjoying your winnings. Okay? I will see you in the next video really, really soon. Bye now.